Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a project with the correct aspect ratio and frame rate so your export matches the target platform. Once signed in, import all clips and audio and organize them into folders. This saves time later. Drag primary clips onto the timeline to build your rough sequence. Make sure Snap is enabled for clean edits. Also set project resolution and playback quality now, because rendering previews at the right settings prevents surprises down the line. You now refine the rough cut, trim with the razor tool, and use ripple delete to keep pacing tight, because timing makes or breaks the edit. Once clips are assembled, add transitions and overlays to bridge shots and apply speed ramps and keyframes for motion and emphasis. For sound, normalize dialogue, reduce background noise, and set consistent levels so viewers hear every word, then add music under a duck track. Finally, apply basic color correction to match shots for a cohesive look. You're at the finish line. Review the timeline start to finish, check captions, and render a short preview to spot glitches. Choose export settings, H, 264 for general use, 1080p for quality, and adjust bitrate to balance file size. Export a small test clip first. Confirm audio/video sync and captions. Make a backup of the project and exported file. If exports fail, clear cache, lower preview quality, or restart Clipchamp. Often a cache reset fixes stuck exports.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.